In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Minecraft error code 0x803F8001. Now the way that we can do this is we want to come here first and search for run, type in wsreset.exe, press enter, and what this is going to do is it's just going to restart your Microsoft Store. Now this can help fix the issue. After that, what you want to do is just close it down, come here and search for Microsoft Store, right click and go to app settings. Then once you're in here, you want to scroll down and click on reset. Once it's done reset, you can close it down and then try and launch and see if it works now. If it still doesn't work, come here and search for run, type in %app data %, press OK, and then you want to delete your Minecraft folder. Once you've deleted it, just right click and empty a recycle bin, and don't worry, it's gonna regenerate itself when we launch Minecraft. Then if it's still not working, the last thing that we want to try is come here and type date and time settings. Come in here and make sure you're set automatically on your time setting. Once you've done all of this, try and restart your PC and now it should hopefully work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.